I want to do one more video because I think you guys can learn this week. And that's 2-beat weaves. So it's a lot like what we were learning of crossing both arms, but now it's going to be a split time pattern. It's going to be an important lead up to the 3-beat weaves, and also it's a very important pattern for all kinds of cool moves. And you can actually do an incredible amount of stuff just with 2-beat weaves, because it's kind of can be a milling pattern, but you'll understand that later. Grab your poi, and we're going to face this way. I face that way a lot, we're going to face this way. Let's see. You're going to do this. Right poi is going to lead. So you're going to start going past your right foot. So we're facing this way together, and you go right, left, right, passing your foot. So right, left. Then your right poi is going to come over the top, crosses over your left arm, and then past your left foot you go right, left. And you come back uncrossed, right, left, cross right over, right, left. So it's the right leading on both sides. Past your right foot, your arms are uncrossed. Then you have to cross to let the right lead past your left foot. So go right leads, right leads. And you're just letting your poi hang. Right leads, right leads, right leads, right leads. And you're going to slowly speed it up. And what's important is that you make sure you always make that cross. Because people otherwise will do this. They go right leads, and then they try to let their left lead, and that won't lead to the pattern. So you can go, give it a bit of momentum, go right leads and cross, and very naturally the left will follow the right. So you don't really have to worry about the left. Just where you go right, crosses over, make that cross, and you go whoop, kaboom, and the right will lead past your left foot. Kaboom, and then you can come back. So with a little practice, it's going to look like this. Cross and back, and cross and back, and cross and back, and cross and back. And what's really important is that you're letting the body do this, because when you did same time crossing, it's sort of a center line symmetrical movement. So I can stand here stoically and let my poi cross together. But for this pattern, the hands actually can stay quite close. That's what's going to make it look and feel good a lot of the time. So your body has to bob and weave following the hands. So for this one, when I pass the right foot, you turn to the right. Then you cross it past the left foot, you turn to the left. Left and right, and left and right, and left and right, and left and right, and left and right. And yeah, right? Good. Same thing with the other hand. Now you're going to let the left lead. So past your left foot, the left is leading. It comes over the top and crosses over the right arm to lead past the right foot. Then they come back together. Left leads past the left foot, cross, left leads past the right foot. Left foot, cross, right foot. Left foot, 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 right foot. And if you are not making that cross, it won't work. Make a cross. Left, make a cross. Left foot, right foot. Left foot, right foot. Left foot, right foot. Left foot. And that's your forward 2-beat weave. What I want you to be able to do is to get into it from just spinning the poi forward split time. So we can spin this way, and we can just pick a side. Let's pick our left foot. What's going to happen is your right poi is going to have to come over and chase the left poi, and the first time you can just hit your arm to make sure you're coming over to the plane over here. Kabop. Then you're going to go over and cross. Come over and cross over it. Over, cross over, cross over, cross over. And you're also going to do that on this side, where the left poi can come over to hit the right arm, just to make sure you're initiating by bringing the poi to one side. Bop. And once you're confident you can do that, bop. When you bring both poi to the right side, the right can cross over the left. Because otherwise you'll fall back to this, and it's going to look more like this, and then cross. Right side, left side, right side, left side. So what's important in all of this is that you can do either one equally comfortably. Don't practice, if you keep practicing the easier one, you'll get this increasing gulf in non-symmetry, and that will mess with you later. So you want to make sure it's both ways, and always balance them So whichever one, you know, by tomorrow feels harder, practice that one more the day after tomorrow. Until you can go, okay, I'm going to bring my right poi to my left, left over, left over, left over, back to split time. Now I'm going to bring my left poi to the right side, right over, right over, right over. And then eventually you can go, okay, start on my left, left over, start on my right, right over, left over, split time, right over, split time. Start on the left, start on the right, start on, and when they're equal, when you balance them, that's going to let you come into the continuous crossing of a full 3-beat weave. Right over, left over. Although I want to stress that the 2-beat weaves are awesome and possibly even more versatile than the 3-beat weaves. A lot of this is just 2-beat weaves, right? So what you're not going to do is use the 2-beat weaves just to learn the 3-beat weaves and then forget the 2-beat weaves, because that will gimp you forever as a poi spinner. But I think that's enough for this lesson. Learn that. We'll be coming back to this. You'll be having the weaves in no time, and then turning, and then windmill, and then you're doing awesome.